This is the day in my life as someone who temporarily left the corporate job because I wanted to try traveling and something more. Hello everyone, I started the morning by making my bed and changed my bed sheets and pillows. I got this bed sheet and pillow sheets from SM department store. It's super nice, understatement, but so pretty and clean looking. And I love the color combination of white and gray as well para hindi din masyadong dumihin. So this is the final look of my bed now. And then I do my chores by washing all the sheets pero later ko na lang yan ipagpapatuloy pag uwi ko. And then I prepared my breakfast. I have this oatmeal and powdered milk, hot water, and then I add some Kellogg's Crunch to have some crispy texture. I also added banana fruit, blueberries, and strawberries because I love to put fruits on my oats. Ganon din ba kayo guys? And of course, I have my regular coffee because coffee is life for me. Bahala na magpalpitate later. And I love this super cute coffee mug. It's so aesthetic and I love the color of baby pink and tiny bow designed on my plate. And then I got ready to go to IKEA, so I promise I'll show you around what IKEA has to offer for those who haven't been to IKEA and for those who are curious what are the things that you can buy to IKEA. So this is a short tour to IKEA shop. So pagpasok mo pa lang marami nang bubungad sa iyo ng mga sale. Tulad nitong white trash can na 70 pesos, sobrang mura lang. I headed to their showroom sa taas para makakuha tayo ng inspo kung anong design ang gusto mong gawin sa place mo. And then may mga nagustuhan din akong dining table and chairs na sa tingin ko ay sobrang sturdy at tamang-tama sa mga timputing kahoy na mga bahay dyan. And then tinernohan siya nitong boho lamp na gustong-gusto ko din. Meron ding coffee cabinet at organizers na mapagpipilian ka dito at meron ding mga lamp na sobrang mura lang at sale. Meron ding pegboard akong nakita na sobrang ganda at itong couch na napaka-vibrant ng color. At pack, ayan na nga, syempre umaura din ng antinyo. Ang gaganda ng mga designer couch nila dito at coffee table, saktong-sakto sa mga bahay nyo. And the side table lamp is giving. At ang ganda nitong vanity mirror na may kasamang shoe cabinet na hindi mo aakalaing lalagyan ng sapatos at tama lang yung presyo compared sa ibang furniture store. I also like the kitchen cabinet at yung mga ceramic and glass containers. Madami din dito at ito nga yung isa sa nagustuhan ko. Ang napaka-comfy na chair na ito na may kasamang leg rest. Ba ang tawag dito? I'm not sure. Manifesting din talaga ako sa dressing room na katulad nito na pwede kang mag-selfie anytime at ma-organize mo lahat ng personal things mo. Sobrang ganda nga nito. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na tayong mga babae dapat pala may portion tayo sa bahay tulad ng ganito. Ginastify talaga. And of course, may mga sale items din tulad ng hanger na 70 pesos lang at mga cups. May mga halaman nga din pala dito na mura lang at itong lock and lock na containers at marami pang iba. Mabubudol ka talaga. At yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you next time!